Hi everyone, I'm here at Flink Forward Asia. I'm super excited to be here with Feng WANG, who's with Alibaba. Super excited to chat with you today.
Okay, nice to meet you. We'd like to
Yes,
chat, have a conversation with you, Rabbit. So yes, I'm Feng Wang from Alibaba Cloud. Yeah.
fantastic. I saw your talk. We learned a lot about, the Flink community, Apache Flink, the evolution, how rapidly the community is growing, but a lot of other things too. But just for audience, would you like to quickly introduce yourself? Tell us more about, how did, first of all, a little bit of about the journey that you shared in your talk as well
Uh-huh.
of Apache Flink, and how did it become such a key contributor? Like, how did Alibaba become such a key contributor to Flink community?
Okay, so I think Alibaba began to investigate and adopt Apache Flink since 2015.
Okay.
10 years before,
Yep.
10 years ago.
Yep.
Yeah, because at that time, that is all of a lot of business in Alibaba wants real time,
Mm-hmm.
the real time, especially for the feature engineering. At that
Yes.
time, we knew the recommendation system want to give the best experience to the customers to push the right things to the customer.
Yeah.
They need the real-time behavior, real-time events from the user, from
Right.
users' feedback.
Right.
So then
Right.
they use Flink to collect the users click rate
Yep.
that's from the users logs, then update the models, the recommendation model, the search model, the
Mm-hmm.
ads model. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So at that time we began to we compared some different kinds of technologies, such as Spark and Flink and Storm. These kinds of all of them are Apache project,
Yeah.
open
Yep.
source project. So finally, we choose Flink
Hmm.
as our choice to build the streaming data platform
Nice.
on top of Flink.
Yeah. And this was 2015, you're saying?
Yeah,
When you.
2015. Then the first application run Flink since 2016. We use about 1 year to make it production.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, and thanks for sharing that. Kind of also wanting to learn about the milestones and key directions a little bit.
Uh,
Looking ahead, what are you seeing the key directions
mm,
for Apache Flink's development, especially as the community grows, as the streaming
mm,
kind of becomes mainstream as well?
yeah.
Can you share a little bit about that?
Yeah, I think the first milestone is about the SQL. So in the early stages, there's no SQL for Flink.
Mm-hmm.
So users just could use Java
Java, yeah,
programming to
exactly.
program, but
Mm-hmm.
it's not easy to use. So if we want to adopt it in more places globally for different kinds of developers
So
users,
true.
you need to make it easy, make it easy. So after Alibaba acquired Data Artisan,
Mm-hmm.
Alibaba contributed SQL, revamped the whole SQL modules into Flink's community.
Nice.
Then after that, Flink has been widely spread it to the world
Mm-hmm.
because SQL is easy to use.
Yeah, exactly.
And another thing, another milestone I think is the production ready, because also in the early stage we adopted Flink in Alibaba. It's not stable. Open source project, there's lots of problems, bugs in the early open source project. So we contribute a lot of improvements,
Right.
yeah, to make it a stable, production ready.
Yep.
I think that's the second milestone. So the third one thing is the Flink 2.0, the disaggregation of the
Yeah.
computing and storage,
Yep.
the totally cloud native architecture.
Yep.
Yeah, I think the second, third milestone.
Yes.
But I think currently the next milestone is for AI. Yeah, we built the AI function, AI agent to make Flink
Right.
could also play important role for the AI applications.
Yes.
I think that is next milestone.
Next milestone.
Yes, most
Those are.
important.
Yeah, most important, and definitely those first three milestones have been very important for the community as well. And congratulations on Flink 2.0, the Flink agent as well, which is the next big milestone. You all
Yeah.
have been, the project has already started.
Yes.
I was talking to Xingtong, and he kind of mentioned a lot of
Yeah,
things
yeah.
around that as well. So, which is fantastic. One more question for you is, in your talk, you also mentioned about Flink Agents, a real-time agentic AI framework, right? So I would love to know a little bit more about it. Can you, obviously explain how this framework is transforming the intersection of streaming compute and AI, and how is it helpful for the larger enterprises?
Yeah, so yes, I think Flink Agents is quite attractive now. So you can see that you can see the diversity. So not just Alibaba's engineer working on it. So the engineers, a lot of engineers from Confluent, from Verca, from LinkedIn, also are also passionate into this project. So
Right.
they also want to contribute this new project in Flink community. So because in the for the AI application, they need the real-time data
Mm.
to continuous learning, to make the online training in the future. So
Right.
and also they need to make a decision according to the real-time data. They need to build their prepared context. Because if the AI model could solve problem, answer your questions, they need the context,
So
the
true.
real-time context.
Yeah.
So we can use the Flink agents to build the context from various kinds of data sources.
Hmm.
Yeah, and
That
and
is very important. I think context kind
yeah,
of plays a very important role when you're kind of thinking about AI.
yes, yeah. So AI just AI models. It also needs data,
Yeah.
real-time data, and a distributed framework, distributed
Hmm.
system.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Right. I think those are fantastic insights that you're sharing here. I'm also just gonna take a step back and ask a little bit about Alibaba being a major adopter of and innovator with Flink.
Yeah.
So especially when it comes to global scale platforms like e-commerce business. Taobao,
Yeah.
and also the adoption has been massively seen out there. So can you share a little bit about that too?
Yeah, so we have built a unified stream platform
Mm-hmm.
for the whole Alibaba business.
Yep.
Yeah, the whole group. So you mentioned that Tmall, AliExpress,
Yep.
so Lazada,
Mm-hmm.
and the online food delivery, grocery for, and also the online travel
Right.
systems. They all use and maps. They also Alibaba Maps. They also use our unified streaming platform
Yep.
to help them to, for example, to monitor the price of the product, and if they change, they can update and send the update through the online search engine, ads engine,
Yep.
to make the whole system real time, and do the real time data analysis on on database logs, on the user logs to generate the real time data dashboard.
Yeah.
Yes, to the managing team, for them to make the business decision. Yeah,
Yeah.
lots of things.
Also, if we take a step ahead and talk about the future vision for Flink in the AI ecosystem, I'm kind of curious to know with Flink's integration into AI ecosystem, including tools like large language models and event-driven AI agents. What role do you think Flink playing in the future of real-time AI applications? If you can share a little bit about that as well.
Yeah, I think I think currently we will need to do the data processing and the AI inference
Mm-hmm.
together,
Right. Right.
mixed. There are mixed mode for that.
Yep.
So you can, if you want to do the AI inference, you must do some data processing before it.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
and clean the data or drawing something to enrich something, then build a context, send it to the AI model.
Yep.
So Flink SQL is I think it's very convenient for the developers to use. You can
Yep.
use SQL to do the relational algebra operations,
Yep.
and also you can use the AI function to connect with the large language model to
Yep.
do the semantic actions.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they can combine the different kinds of operations.
Yep.
Yes, together.
Yeah.
Yes, for both structured data and structured data.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
that's very convenient, very easy for customer to use.
It is something definitely super useful for the enterprises and for those developers who are kind of looking to utilize AI with structured and unstructured data, right? One more quick question for you, and this is for our audience. If folks want to reach out to you, learn more about different things that you've been doing, where can they follow you? Is LinkedIn a best place? GitHub?
How to learn Flink.
Yeah, and also get in touch with you or just see the content that you all are publishing.
I think we have some public account on LinkedIn,
Okay.
Flink Forward Asia, and on our website, Alibaba Cloud website, and also maybe Worka website. There are some blog post for how to use Flink,
Yeah.
how use cases,
Yep.
and maybe some basic knowledge about it.
Yeah.
And in China, we have a lot of information on WeChat, but
Great.
but maybe in South America, in other countries, um, you can find it on our website. I think so.
That's awesome. Thanks for sharing that. And I promise one more last question for you.
Mm.
Feng, when do we meet next? Which is the next place you'll be heading to? Is it
Of
Flink
course,
Forward?
Flink Forward Barcelona.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
I get it.
in October.
In
We
October.
will meet in Europe.
That's going to be,
Yeah.
again, a blast. And definitely, I'm pretty sure there'll be more insights that would be coming for our audience as well from Flink Forward Barcelona.
Yes, of
So right now, we are here in Flink Forward Asia. Next,
Yeah.
in October, fast forward, it goes to Flink Forward.
Europe. Yeah, from Asia to
Barcelona.
Europe. Yeah.
Asia to Europe.
Yeah.
But looks like y'all are conquering the globe here with the Flink community, with
Yes.
the Flus community. So y'all are doing pretty good in this space and contributing to the developers out there. Those developers who are contributing as well.
Yeah.
Fantastic community that y'all have built. Such a pleasure chatting with you on the Ravit
Thank you.
show. We'll keep the conversation going. Next week, I see you at Barcelona.
Barcelona. See you in
Yes.
Barcelona.
Yes, see you there.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you everyone for joining us.